lot of men overlook this part I'm talking about, or they don't even do it the right way. Okay, places in your woman's body that you can touch, and you will melt her body and also her heart. Now this is for couples. Okay, yeah, even as a Christian, because I was actually interacting with someone and he was like, all these things are not meant for Christians, these are meant for Christian couples. Okay, because marriage is from God, and you need to make your partner feel real good. So most times when your partner is actually dry and you're like, what to do, there are places you can touch her and you will melt her. You melt her body, you melt her heart, just by touching those parts of her body. Now the first place is lips. Let's start with that one. Now, before you go into this, make sure that your oral health is in check. Make sure that you brush well. Make sure that you clean your tongue and your mouth well, because she's not going to be inhaling some certain things that are going to be unhealthy. Then it will not be enjoying it. Like, she will not enjoy it. So make sure that your health is in check. Like, you clean up your mouth very well, and then make sure that you don't ignore this, because this is another part of the body that men ignore so badly, because they think that it's not that sensitive, but it's so sensitive for women. But then there are ways to do it right. So number one is actually keeping your mouth clean. Number two is actually starting gently. Okay, start gently from the down up and be gentle. Don't rush it. Okay, don't do it as if you want to swallow her or you want to chew her. So it should be like something you are doing, but it should be flowing from your inside, from the down to the up, just gradually. Now the second place is the boobs. You see, this particular one is so sensitive for women, very sensitive, that even when your partner is so dry, if you start touching this particular part of her body the right way, she will melt and you will notice it. Even that body that's dry will start flowing like the milk. Okay, yeah, because you are doing the right thing. That's why I say this is for couples. Okay, now make sure that you start gently. That's the key or the rule number one when it comes to touching this area in a woman's body. Make sure that you start gently. Don't start squeezing everything as if you're fighting her. Okay, so start gently and graduate to like squeezing, but the squeezing should still be tender squeezing. And watch her flow, like watch her mood to know when she wants it, like when she wants you to increase or even reduce. Okay, so that's the thing. She will start flowing gradually. So start gently. You can even start touching that particular side with your tongue. So you touch the tip with your tongue. Okay, now start with that one before you even get into using your hands. That's one thing that's so important. Start gradually when you're touching that part of her body. Now the next part that's so sensitive, you can even start, especially when you're doing the foreplay and all that, is her backside. You see, her backside is so sensitive, but a lot of men don't know how to touch this particular side very well. Let me tell you guys, most men go into being hard, go into being as if you're choking. You're not choking. If you're going to spank, you spank gently. If you're going to touch, you touch gently. And make sure that you're touching only the outer. You don't go inside and say you want to dig into, just when you're spanking, you want to dig into it. No, you are not digging into it. You're just spanking to activate things from the inside. Okay? From the inside. So start gently when you're also touching the backyard. You can do it maybe during the day when you guys are around, you just spank it. You are activating it gradually. You see this particular part, it is so sensitive in a woman's body. Now this is the third part that is so sensitive that men overlook. Like, a lot of men overlook this part I'm talking about, or they don't even do it the right way. Okay, they do it but they don't do it the right way. Now the next part is our face. You see, a woman's face, it is so sensitive. While men overlook this part, but you don't know that it's so sensitive. Now, how do you do it? You run your hands on her face from up down and then from down up. Like, do it like this, gradual process, as if you're caressing and not like you're scratching. You're not scratching, you're not being hard, but you're trying to caress the face. You see, run it down from here down to the neck area, neck region, as if you're going down to this area, then you go back to the face again. Now this should be like during the starting of the whole thing. Okay, so make sure you run your hands gradually and gently. And if your hand is hard, If your hand is dry and hard, please moisturize your hand, even if it's with blue sea Vaseline. Moisturize your hand so that it will be soft. Okay, so when you're running this hand on her face, it will not be dry, it will not be hard, it will not be intense. These are few parts of women's body that men overlook so badly. They think that it's not actually sensitive, or they don't even do it the right way. So if you do it the right way, around this time, you will notice that your woman will melt. Her heart and her body. You're going to get all of that. Okay. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, let me know in the comments below. No matter what you're thinking right now in the comments. Are you going to try it with your partner? Let me know in the comments below. Or do you already know these things? Do you do these things perfectly well? Like, how you're going to know that you're doing it well is through your partner's moods, her actions, and her words. Okay, that's the thing. So if you do it well, let me know in the comments. Or you're going to try it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more. Okay, hit the like button to show me that you do like it, and also help others to see this video. See you guys in my next video.